Let's go to the breakdown of costs report. This is a breakdown of all costs grouped by category. The left column shows category names which are taken from the pricing sheet. Let's go to that sheet to take a look. Every item on the pricing sheet has a category selected to the right, like foundations, walls, plastering, and so on. You can change the default selections or leave them as what Easy Price Pro recommends. The programme creates a breakdown of costs grouped by these categories, so you can see the total costs for the different types of work. Let's now go back to the breakdown of costs to take a look. For each category, the plant, material, labour costs and hours are shown in these columns, along with the totals. For example, the cost for any plastering for the job is here. You may have more than one module in this job that requires plastering, but the costs for it are all grouped together on this sheet along here. You can change any of these category names to what you prefer, as well as add more at the bottom. Bear in mind, if you change or remove an existing one, you might want to go back in the pricing sheet and change the selections for those items. To add one, scroll to the bottom and type it in here. Let's say, for example, we wanted the wall cost to be separated into brick walls and block walls. Type in brick walls and block walls. Now I'll go to the pricing sheet and bring in some wall modules. I'll go to W, then Walls, and choose a double block wall. I'll enter the length, height, and size of any openings for windows or doors. I can now select which category or work section I want these items to be under. In this case, block walls, which is the new name I added. You can copy and paste this down for every item in this section. I've also brought in a brick wall this time and selected brick wall for the category drop-downs here. Now I can go back to the breakdown of cost report and see the costs for both brick walls and block walls. So this can be done with anything at all that you want to have a breakdown of. You may want to use this report to break down costs by reference numbers if you need them for a bill of quantities. You would enter the reference numbers down here, and then, as you are pricing the job, you can select the references for each item.